Hello everyone, and I am Arun Saraf from IIT Roorkee, and I am going to propose or going to run a course that is Remote Sensing Essentials. In this course, we will be discussing what exactly remote sensing technology is and what are different intricacies associated with remote sensing technology, and we will be also discussing different sensors on board of various satellites of various countries. Once the data is there on the Earth through Earth station with computer or on hard disk or CDs, then how to process that data. So digital image processing also we would be discussing. So roughly 1/3 part of this course will be on the basics or physics of remote sensing, how data is acquired. Then how the next 1/3 part is going to be on image processing, digital image processing of different data sets, including visible, thermal, infrared, and of course microwave data, including interferometric data. So we are going to discuss that part, and then finally we will have some applications examples, case studies, how remote sensing data can be applied in groundwater studies, how remote sensing data can be used to drive digital elevation models, because digital elevation models have become now a big resource or source of information about terrain and terrain conditions. So various satellites are providing data which can be used to develop digital elevation models at different spatial resolutions. So we will be also discussing, and end of this course we will be of course discussing very briefly what are the limitations of remote sensing. In between starting till the last lecture, we will be always discussing various advantages associated with remote sensing, which problems can be solved, what are the intricacies, and which part of EM spectrum currently are being used by different sensors on board of different satellites of various countries. And also we will be discussing almost all programs of remote sensing of India also, like starting from IRS and also Cartosat, ResourceSat, and some other phenomena which are associated with remote sensing data, some distortions, some errors, how to identify those errors, how to remove those errors. Those things will be also discussing in this course, including a phenomena which least discussed in remote sensing literature, that is false topographic perception phenomena, which we ourselves had identified it. We have also developed a few correction techniques. So in one of these lectures we will be discussing that false topographic perception phenomena and how to get rid of or remove that phenomena scientifically. So this course will give whoever will go through all these lectures, 30 lectures, will give a understanding about basics of remote sensing, basics of digital image processing, and a few applications, how remote sensing data can be applied for various studies, including in groundwater, maybe in other related studies, fog or earthquakes, and finally of course this limitation parts. So thank you very much.